In this video I'll show you one of the new interesting USB lights from IKEA, and I don't know why it's flickering all the time when I record the video in the IKEA stores. There's always some flickering lights around, and this is the new light. This is a new product and it's much better than the previous ones. At least this one doesn't flicker. I tried it, I bought this and I made a video at home trying it to see if everything is okay. The light quality looks pretty good on it, and here I was trying it in the store to see how it looks like, and it's USB-C. The power consumption is not very high, so you could use it as a night light if you wanted to, and because it's USB-C you can plug this into anything, any device, any charger, a power bank, anything that uses USB-C. So I like that they use these new ports, new standards, and it's great in general that USB-C starts to be used more, so you don't have to change cables too much. There is always a cable that will work. So input 5 volts, DC 0.7 watts, so 0.7 watts, it's pretty good. I have the night light which is 1.1 watts, a small one, and then a bigger one, 1.5 watts. And the light on this, I don't know, this is like a reading light or general purpose light, small spotlight. The light is diffused well because it has that kind of a diffuser on top of it, and also it has a button. So I didn't notice here in the shop, but in the future video you will see that it actually has a dimming mode, so you can do a long press on the button and you get a dimmed setting. So now it's the full power, the normal power, and then you can get a dimmed version of it when it's even lower power. And yeah, all this flickering is not from this light, and that's not the price of this light. The light, this one is really cheap, it's under €3. It's really like much cheaper than that labeled $2.99. Thanks for watching.